Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include leather trim seats, heated seats, bucket seats, parking sensors, rear view camera. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Flex. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, fog lamps, FWD, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.